The perfect night.
The perfect night, I mean, really, we cook together, the kids are running around.
There's a Lego accident or boo-boo.
Yeah, some accident.
Hi, I'm Adrianna.
I'm Miranda. I'm Craig.
And I'm Craig.
And this is Top Hat and Race Car.
The inspiration for the feel of our house is kind of like the graffitied underside of a bridge with like a beautiful, modern, expensive lamp. I built this entire kitchen, this very fancy 2-cabinet IKEA kitchen right here, by myself. I cut this mitered corner here and met together these 2 pieces of laminate countertop. Here are the graffiti cupboards. They were the cupboards that were in the apartment when we bought them. I graffitied them up. This is our one and only gigantic closet that we have in our apartment. It is multifunctional. It houses everything from our clothes to our craft supplies. And here's my husband's desk. This is also our gaming arena here. So one can play a game of darts. You gonna go get it?
This is Take 7. This is my bed. This is Snakey. This is my ball. That's a lava lamp with a transformer guarding it. We have these plants that have been here for years. They survive better than mommy's. Yeah, we read books up here. Lots of them. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of books. My favorite book is a Lorax. This guy pops out of a stump. Where the treacle grass grows, and the wind smells slow and sour when it blows.
What did we spend a lot of money on? Probably the PAX unit.
Not the American Girl Doll Veterinary Clinic.
This is my American Girl Doll apartment. This is the attic. She has her lab stuff because when her house is not a house, it is a veterinarian clinic. This is the bedroom. It has to be my favorite room because this is where she could just hang out and see her fish. This is a snow globe that I made. And here's their plant. It says, "You make my heart happy." This is the living room. My favorite part is the fold-out couch. My mom made the couch for me. And this is the kitchen. Then it turns into a veterinary clinic. The cat hangout is where the cats can sleep. And then I usually have a string.
After a long day, I hope when I open the door that the cats have not broken anything and there's a bottle of wine on the shelf somewhere.
The kids sitting angelically.
Homework done.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Hi, Clark. I would like to buy this dog. Okay. How much money is it? $5. $5.
My biggest piece of advice would be to take your time, use what you have. Style doesn't come from a store in a box.
The one thing that I've learned from her is, be comfortable with change. Like, she will change things around and then change them again, and then paint them or repaint them, and enjoy that process, right? I mean, you enjoy that process. I enjoy watching you enjoy that process.
I can't even believe he's just saying that at all right now.
Well, that's the advice that I would want someone to tell
You should
me.
practice that.
It's like a fantasy, babe. It's like a fantasy.
It is. Living here is like a fantasy.